The goal of this project is to show how to control the brightness of an LED by using the Servo library for the Arduino platform. We're using an Arduino Uno board with a potentiometer. The first terminal of the potentiometer is connected via this red wire to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino board. The second terminal is connected by this black wire to the ground pin on the board. And the mid terminal of the potentiometer is connected to the analog pin 0 via this green wire. The analog pin will record the value of the voltage controlled by the potentiometer. The value will then be assigned to the digital pin 13, which is associated with the onboard LED. Here is a demonstration. The brightness of the LED does not change by much when using the Servo library, so the effect is not too obvious, but it is there for sure. Right now the LED is at its minimum brightness, but as I turn the knob you can see the brightness increases. There you go. Try again. Reduce the brightness. That's at its minimum, and now I'm going to increase the brightness. You can see it gets a little bit brighter. Let's go over the software. Since we want to use the Servo library, we need to include servo.h. We then define a Servo object which we will use to control the brightness of the LED, the onboard LED. The variable LED pin holds the pin number associated with the LED itself, 13 in this case. The variable potentiometer pin holds the analog pin number A0 that records the voltage of the potentiometer, whereas the value potentiometer value simply holds the value of the output of the potentiometer, which is between 0 and 1023. In the setup function, we initialize the serial communication to display values on the serial monitor, and then we attach the Servo object to pin 13 in order to control the brightness of the LED. In the loop function, down here, we first read the output value of the potentiometer from the analog pin, which is A0. Now, since the brightness of the LED varies between 0 and 255, while the values from the analog pin is between 0 and 1023, we use the map function to scale the range 0 to 1023 to 0 to 255. Then we use the print line function to display the output value of the potentiometer to the serial monitor. Finally, we use the Servo object down here to write the scaled output value of the potentiometer to the pin that was attached to the Servo object, in this case 13. It's up here, indicated here. The last line that I just discussed defines the brightness of the onboard LED. Thank you.